Hi, welcome to my channel. Today I'm going to show you how to set up your wallet. So what you do is you go to your app wallet, click on it. As you guys can see, I've got a couple of cards there. If you want to add a card, you press plus sign there at the top, and then you go to debit or credit card, click on it, and then you press continue, and then you scan your card. Once you scan it, it will appear filled up and it will come selected here. So once that's done, and then always make sure this first card is your default card, meaning this the card will automatically, if you want to go do Apple Pay in the store or anywhere, this is going to be the first card. And if you don't want it, for example, you wanted like American Express to be the first, so you just click on it and just drag it while you're holding it down. So it moves like this. You can move it, as you guys can see. That's what you do. And then as you guys can see, the message will appear. This British Airways American Express credit card is now your default card. This card will be automatically selected when you use Apple Pay. So you press OK, so that now it's selected to use that. And if you don't want it, you can change. Just hold on the screen, and just drag it like that. That's it. And that's what you do. So if you guys find this helpful, subscribe to my channel and hit the notification bell so you don't miss any other videos I upload. If you have any question, leave in the comments below and I'll try to get back to you quickly. Thank you. Bye.